Welcome to Photography A to Z, where we are breaking down all things photography into bite-sized nuggets of information. In today's video, we're here to talk to you about the blue hour and how this time of day provides a magical light window to help you create striking images.
So you may be asking yourself, what is blue hour and how do you shoot during this time? Blue hour is a period of twilight each morning and evening when the sun is just below the horizon and the sky turns into this soft blue light. This magical light lasts for about 20 to 30 minutes and offers a unique opportunity to capture stunning images of landscapes, cityscapes, and other subjects.
The reason photographers really enjoy shooting during blue hour is because it provides a very unique and moody light. This helps enhance your images and really makes them stand out. The blue light that radiates contributes to the depth and texture of your photos, and the result can be some very peaceful and serene photographs, especially when you compare the same photo maybe taken during that harsh light of the midday sun.
As far as equipment required, all you need is your camera, a very fast lens, and a tripod. The fast lens will allow light to come into your camera, while the tripod will keep it steady. Something else you might consider is using a neutral density filter that can be helpful for reducing the amount of light entering the lens, allowing you to use longer exposure times without overexposing your images. This would be great when you're trying to shoot water, stars, city lights, and clouds that all have movement in them.
We know many of you are interested in camera settings. So settings obviously will differ with each situation. Manual mode is a great option for blue hour as you can adjust your aperture, ISO, and shutter speed as needed. However, if you're not quite ready to dive into manual mode, you can try shooting in aperture priority. You can choose an ISO around 800 to 1600 to account for low light since the sun is going down or has gone down. You're going to choose a low f-stop number to begin with, such as somewhere between 2.8 and 5.6, and then your camera is going to choose the shutter speed. If you are hand holding and your shutter speed is not fast enough to result in a sharp image, you're going to want to increase your ISO incrementally until the shutter speed is providing you with sharp images.
If your subject is not moving, such as an architecture or landscape photo, you want to use a tripod. The low ISO and a high aperture are recommended. Some of our favorite subjects in blue hour have been cityscapes, thunderstorms, and landscapes. We'll share some of our images here, but as always, we post them to forloveandcraft.com where proceeds go to feed the hungry. So I encourage you to grab your camera and get out there and explore,
Create,
and
and
do
good.
good.
See ya.
Bye.
Heading back to what used to be home, where every